Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the I Teach channel. And today we're going to learn another lesson in our English class. Once again, I just want to tell you that this video is only for my struggling learners in English. And for those who don't like it, please skip this video. Ang palaging tanong, karamihan sa aking mga estudyante ay, Teacher Cell, paano po ba mag-construct ng simple past tense? Mhm. Of course, before we go to the discussion, kailangan matutunan muna natin kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng simple past tense. Simple past tense is a verb tense that is used to describe a completed action in the past. It is formed by adding the suffix ed or d, or you may change the d or ed for the regular verbs, and for the irregular verbs, we are going to change the spelling. Okay? So, here are some examples of regular verbs in the simple past tense. So we have here the verb dance, danced. So we are only adding D because it ends with a vowel letter. Next we have gaze, gazed, talk, talked. So in this example, we added ed. Then we have cool, cooled. All right? So actually there are a lot of verbs, but we only give for example. So all you have to do, guys, is to um, go to the internet or read your books in English. You can find there a lot of regular verbs. Next, we have the irregular verbs. So these verbs, ito yung nagbabago ang kanilang spelling class. So tingnan nyo naman, we have the word go. The go, naging went na siya. So iba ng kanyang spelling when it is in the simple past tense. Then we have take, took, make, made, know, knew, do, and did. So, again, marami pang mga irregular verbs. These are only some of the examples. Okay, so in the following examples, identify the simple past tense verb or verbs in the sentence. So, number one, I used to go to the store every day when I was a kid. Number two, he called his friends just an hour ago. Tony went to the store every day last week. Then we have Mila and her classmates took the test a while ago. Next, Mary was unhappy yesterday. They were delighted by the party last night. So, get your pen and answer. Okay, let's see if you've got the correct answers. All right. So the simple past tense here are used, called, went, took, was, and where. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. So in number one, I used to go to the store every day when I was a kid. I called my friend just an hour ago. So take note that in constructing a simple past tense of the verb, all you've got to do is to add D or ED to the verb. So, kahit yan ay mapasingular, mapaplural, ang gagawin mo lang ay i-change mo lang ang simple form of the verb. So, you're going to change the simple form into its past tense, simple past tense. So, nakita nyo dito, we have I. So, we just added D. Then, same here also, we just added ED. Okay? So, ganun lang. Babaguhin mo lang talaga yung verb. Next, we have Tony went to the store every day last week. And then they were delighted by the party last night. Kung nakikita nyo, marami tayong mga expression dito. We have here in the previous sentences. Oh, when I was a kid. So, ibig sabihin na complete na. Dati pa yon. Ito, just an hour ago. But the action was already completed. So, kapag na-complete na ang action, all you've got to do, guys, is to of course, change the verb into its simple past form. Next, here, ang verb natin is irregular verb because the simple past form of go is went. Same also with the where. The simple past form of that is are. Okay? So, may expression din dito bakit nalaman natin na ito ay nakalipas na because of the word or the words last week. And then we have the words or the phrase last night. Yan. So, iniiba natin yung spelling. Okay, next, Mary was unhappy yesterday. Kung nakikita nyo, si Mary isa lang. So, we use the word was. Okay? Here, we use the word where kasi they. So, tandaan ha, kapag where, for plural. For was, singular. Pero kapag mga action word, ayan, you are going to change them into its simple past tense form. Okay? So ito kasi, ito simple past tense form din ito ng are. So this is where. Same also with the E. Ito sa simple present tense is ito. But since it happened yesterday, nakalipas na, so ang is natin magiging was. She took the test a while ago. So natapos na a while ago nakalipas na. So this is took. So actually, ang verb nito na simple form is take. Okay? So, alam kong naiintindihan nyo na class, okay? So, sana, maalala ninyo na nagva-vary lang, okay? Basta laging tandaan na dapat ma-memorize ninyo yung simple present, and simple past tense of the verb, okay? So, now, you get your notebook. Let's answer this. So, I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay, so I'll just read it first. Yesterday, I blank breakfast at 8 a.m. She blank study for the exam last night. Oh, that's night. That's typographical error only. Then I blank watch a movie last night. This is a be verb, so you have to answer whether it is was or where. All right, very full after dinner. Then Tina and her friend, this is also a be verb, so you have to choose from was or were polite during the meeting. Okay, so let's see if you got a perfect score. Ayan, so we have here the words ate, studied, watch, was, and where. Okay, kung nakikita ninyo, ang eat nag-change ng spelling. Tapos the study, change Y to I and add ED. And then for the watch, we just add ED. At ito nga, dahil nag-iisa lang siya, he, the subject is he, so we use the word was. And then, Tina and her friend, ilan ba sila? Dalawa. So, ang gagamitin natin dito ay where. And there you have it, guys. Congratulations for being perfect in the activity. Thank you. And I hope that this video will help you a lot, especially in preparing for your exam. So, see you next time. Please don't forget to like, share, and if you have comments, if you want to know something, just comment any topics you want below, and I promise that I'm going to make a video for that. So see you next time. Bye.